Do you ever have customers accidentally order the wrong item, but not realize it until they receive their shipment? If you could make a small change, completing your packing process in a way that would allow customers to catch many of these errors, would you have less customer service and happier customers? What about customers that claim they didn't receive something just to get free stuff? There's no doubt it happens. The question is, how can it be prevented? I'm glad to share a new GroovePacker feature that helps catch customer errors and prevent fraudulent claims. We're calling it Packing Cam. Let me show you how it works. First, you scan a packing slip or shipping label to queue an order. As each item is scanned, it's placed in a staging area. Depending on your workflow, you might stage items at a packing station or right on a pick cart. After the last item in the order is scanned, the user will see a countdown and an image is automatically taken. The image is displayed so it can be saved, retaken, or canceled. On a mobile device, the device camera is used. With desktop setups, you can use a webcam. Saved images will be stored with the order in GroovePacker. The real utility is kicked off when you enable the option to send the customer a link to their order page, where they can view the image of their order. While there, they can review a packing list of each of the items that was scanned. If you like, the scanning log of the order can also be displayed, so they can see each scan and a timestamp. This page gives the customer a chance to review what will be shipping moments after it's scanned. Having the opportunity to see their actual order increases the likelihood they'll take a look and catch any issues. Customers looking to game the system and score free stuff will be immediately deterred because they know you know exactly what was in the shipment. We hope that by having your team take a few seconds to capture this image, you'll be able to reduce costs and increase customer delight. If you're not yet using GroovePacker for your fulfillment, come learn more at groovepacker.com. Thanks for watching, and stay groovy.